Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at the major ETFs here, starting off with the S&P 500, working our way to the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones. And I'm going to give my analysis and my thought process, and you're going to walk away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis, as well as hopefully some profitable trade ideas based off of this free analysis. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, go ahead and give us a visit on the homepage of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like these free videos and analysis we give to you on a daily basis, it's really nothing in comparison to the membership you get once you sign up with that premium membership. Once you sign up with that premium membership, you're going to gain instant access to the profitable trade alerts that our current members are getting and loving on a daily and weekly basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you with your trading. All right, so let's take a look at this chart here. What I want to point out is we've got the S&P 500 is the first one we're going to take a look at. I got a couple of things that I want to point out here. I know there's a lot of lines going on this chart, and I'm going to explain what every one of them means here so you can really get a good idea of what we're looking at here. So what we have here is we had this little bull flag right here, okay? So we had some distribution up here, all right, and we actually turned bearish right here as this happened, and we turned bullish right at the right time right here when we bottomed right here. So we caught this down move, and now we're going to catch this up move. We did catch this up move. And what I want to point out is we were in this channel going lower. Now we broke out of that channel right here, and you can see right here a successful retest of that channel that we broke out of. So we retested it. You can see we bounced right here, and the several days right here, we bounced right there as well. So now what to expect with the S&P 500? Well, we've got still this channel line as a level of support, and we also have a nice little uptrend line going back here to April right here. Started, we got a bounce there, right there. You can see just recently right here and right here we got a bounce off of that level. So we've got two levels right here. It's meeting up with the down channel retest as well as this up trend line retest. So right around here is a very nice bounce zone. So if we do head lower, which is definitely possible, then this is going to be a really nice bounce zone. Not only is it that retest of that channel line and also this uptrend line, but also you can see a lot of sideways trading over here. And we get sideways trading, that creates levels of support and resistance. So now that we're above this sideways trading level here, that is going to be a level of support, and that matches up perfectly right here. If you draw a line just right here across, matches up perfectly with these two previous levels. So we've got a lot of confluences of levels. I believe it's also a Fibonacci retracement level right here. As you can see, if you draw it from the lows right here to the highs right here, you get you can see right here 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level right here, matches up well with that those previous three levels. So we've got 4 reasons to look for a bounce around this level. So very, very nice level to keep in mind, and I really, really want you to focus on that moving forward. So that level, just to be clear, on the S&P 500 is about 2440. All right, 2440 is that level on the S&P 500. Next, we're going to touch on the Dow Jones, and then after that, we'll move on to the Nasdaq. So the Dow Jones here, definitely not as clean here, but I just want to go over some levels here really quick. We've got support down here at 216.30. We got a bounce right here, right there, and as you can see right here is previous resistance right there. So it turned into support there, gotten several bounce from it there. You want to keep that level in mind. Another level too is the downtrend line. We've got a high here, a lower high here, and a lower high here. So that's going to be resistance above us. All right. So next we're going to touch on the Nasdaq, and the Nasdaq has very similar levels to the S&P 500. So as you can see right here was that down channel, okay, and we also have this sideways trading, same as the S&P 500 here, and we've also got this uptrend line that started in May right here, got a bounce there, here, here, right there, and that matches up perfectly with that down channel test, as well as this uptrend line, as well as this sideways trading support, as well as this Fibonacci retracement level. We're going to draw it from the lows here to the highs here, and as you can see, 61.8 right there matches up perfectly right there, same as the S&P 500. So that level is right around about 62.80, 62.90 approximately is going to be that level that if we do head to that zone, I think is a very viable level. So keep these levels in mind, especially these bounce zones on the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. The time to panic is not really now. I think that we can still buy the dips. I think that we can sell the rips as well. But I see mostly chop in the near term. So I think that we've got some potentially overbought conditions here in the market, but that doesn't mean that we're headed lower. It just means that we need to just cool off, and I think that we're going to cool off by seeing some chop here in the near term. So thank you for stopping by and watching this video, everyone. Again, if you're not already a member, visit us on the homepage and get to know us a little bit better. Once you get to know us better, sign up with the premium membership, because once you do, you're going to get instant access to the profitable trade alerts like the 300% gainer that we had on Amazon calls just this past week. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you with your trading.